I want to turn from there to our top political focus, because the focus today is once again on the Election Commission. Today, the Election Commission at a press conference announced that they are taking the special intensive revision exercise to revise electoral rolls across the country. What started in Bihar rather controversially before the elections there will now spread in the first phase to 12 more states, including election-bound Kerala, Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. Predictably, the opposition is saying that the Election Commission is enabling the government with vote chori. The Commission makes it clear it's time to purify the rolls. In a moment, we'll have a big debate on that, but first, take a look at our top story.
The Election Commission launches nationwide special intensive revision of electoral rolls.
अब फेज 2 12 राज्यों में या संघ शासित प्रदेशों में आरंभ होने वाला है.
This massive exercise will cover over 51 crore voters across 12 states and union territories in the latest phase.
जिन राज्यों में एसआईआर हो रहा है या अभी होने वाला है, उनकी मतदाता सूची आज रात को 12 बजे फ्रीज कर दी जाएगी.
The special intensive revision will take place in Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Goa, Puducherry, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Lakshadweep. The Election Commission has clarified that in Assam, due to the ongoing NRC process, no SIR will be conducted.
माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट की देखरेख में वहां पर नागरिकता की जांच का कार्यक्रम लगभग पूर्ण होने वाला है. ऐसी स्थिति में जो ये 24 जून का एसआईआर का ऑर्डर था, वो पूरे देश के लिए था. वो असम पर लागू नहीं होता.
The house-to-house enumeration will take place from 4th November to 4th December. The draft electoral rolls will be published on 9th December. Claims and objections can be filed from 9th December to 8th January. Notices, hearing and verification will be done from 9th December to 31st January. The final electoral rolls will be published on 7th February. The Election Commission has made it clear that Aadhaar can be used only as a proof of identity, not as a proof of citizenship. Many opposition parties have hit out at the Election Commission, calling SIR a political conspiracy and questioning the intent behind the move.
आज ईसीआई ने, चुनाव आयोग ने 12 राज्यों में एसआईआर की घोषणा की है. अभी तक बिहार की एसआईआर के कारण और जो सवाल उसमें हम सब ने खड़े किए, उसका उत्तर नहीं मिला, जवाब नहीं मिला.
First of all, details of the Election Commission, what they have said, will be analyzed and evaluated by our leadership. But the party stands by this point that no valid voter will be omitted.
The Election Commission, however, maintains that the SIR process is vital for keeping electoral rolls accurate and credible, removing duplicate, migrated or ineligible voters. Bureau Report, India Today.